Now I will show you how to make this stock monitoring system from scratch. Okay, now let's start. First, I need to open a blank. I will put in desktop, stock monitoring system, new. Then I will hit it. Next, we need to create an inventory table. Go to create, then table design. Then next, I will type product ID. So I will make auto data type. Then next is item code. Then I will use the data type text. I will put here 50. Then I will copy this one and put in the caption, because here is there's no space. I will put caption space here. Then I will make this one as primary key. Then I will save this. This is inventory table. So I will show you why I put here item code in caption, because as you can see there's no space. But if you put in caption here, it's showing item code with space. Okay, we'll go to design view again. Then we will add another field, description. I will put here 150. Then item price, currency. Then I will adjust the format to standard. Then you can choose either decimal auto. I will put 2. Then again I will put the caption item price. Then next is inventory quantity. I will put data type number. Then I will put here default value is 0. I will put caption quantity on hand. Still dollar sign. So item price, I will make standard. Save. Let me check. Okay, now item price is 0. Here quantity on hand is 0. The next is discontinue. Then I will choose yes or no. So this one to check either this particular item is discontinued. This is very important, because if you will print the list of your items, so if you will include even the old products which is already deleted or discontinued, so to exclude on that in the list. That's why I put discontinue. Again, I will save. Then next, I will create another table for our history. because after this one, I will show you this is our project we want to achieve. This is the inventory table, and this is the history. So whatever our entries here will manage stock in and stock out, automatically it will goes to the transaction history. So I separate the table to history. Okay. History, I will make auto, then history ID. Primary key. Then here I will put product. I'll just copy this one. Item product ID, item code, description, and item price. We need to include this item price because if there are changes of the price, it should be also included on our history. I will just copy this one here, and I will change to number. Okay. Next is, I will close this one. I will put stock in. This is a quantity. I will put number. I will put caption here. 0. Stock in quantity. Then I will copy that one. Then here stock out. We'll modify here also stock out quantity. Then next I will put transaction type. Here I will put 50. This is text. Again, I will show you the database. This is the one. Transaction type, stock in and stock out. It will show at the back of the system here, so that whatever you enter here, stock in, stock out, it will record in the background for the transaction, for record purposes. The next is transaction date, date and time. I will save this one. This is history. I will open again so here in our history table, I will put here current stock. This is the one, current stock. This one, I put current stock because whatever the current stock here, this one, it will show also here. So whatever transaction for the current stock for that particular time here, it will show the stocks from, like this one, stock in or stock out 5, then showing the current is 70. Let's say I will add another transaction, let's say I will put 50 here. If I click stuck in, look, it's showing 50 before 70 plus 50. Now current stock is 120. Again, also if I put, say, 20 stuck out, I will click, then again stuck out become 100. Okay, so that's the purpose. Current stock. So I will use calculated. If transaction type equal stuck in, then stuck quantity plus stuck in if this transaction type is stuck in, so this is the true, so it will calculate stuck quantity plus stuck in. Again, we'll put another if function. If transaction type equal stuck out, then the true part is stuck quantity minus stuck out, this one. Then if false, we'll put some 0, then I will close that one. Okay, again, if transaction type is stuck in, so our stuck quantity plus the stuck in. Then if transaction type is stuck out, then stuck quantity less are stuck out. Otherwise, if all of this, if there's no stuck in transaction type or blank, so this current stock will show 0. That's why this is the false. Okay, now our calculated field is doing right. Okay, next we have already two tables, which is very important, history and inventory. Next, we will create a form for our entries. I will go to create, then I will choose blank form, then I will press this inventory, then F2 to copy, then I will put here record source inventory, so that if I click this add existing fields, it will show all the fields. Look here, because if we will delete this one, if you see here, there's no available field, so I need to put inventory, and now I can select. First, I need to put here. The next is item code. I will select this one, then layout stock, I prefer to use this stack because whatever settings from here, let's say if I drag, so you need to one by one modify the format. Unlike if I choose this layout stack, so I will just make a setup here one time, I will modify this one. Look, if I select this one here, description, look, automatically it will auto format whatever the first field you made before. I will select this one, go to arrange, then control padding. I will make, you can make none, or you can also make narrow. Now I am free to add here and here also. Now I will modify one time. I will make adjust. Then discontinue. Okay, inventory on hand. Here, inventory on hand, I don't want to enable this one. I need to disable. Look, if you will disable this one, including also the label, it will disable. I disable this one because we will add inventory through our transaction, not manually, to avoid any unrecorded transaction. That's why I make inventory disable, so that they can, we can only put an inventory quantity by transaction, so that the history will also drop. And here I will also make disable, because we will generate automatically after insert in of our description, this item code will generate. Look, it's not good looking, because if we will disable this one, or enable or disable, it's showing here become light. So we can manage that one. First, I need to copy this one, or here, then I will go to label, then just select this description and go to home, then format printer, just to copy the format. Look, then I will delete this label, and I will change this one also. I'll go to create design rather, then label. Again, I will select this one and go to home, then format printer, then I will delete this quantity on hand label. Look, it's showing like green, because this is an error. This is a new label, not associated, so not associated with this field. So if we will drag here, automatically it will associate this text box. Now if we will open, even this text box is enabled, but the label is enable. I will make range medium, and I will make it bigger. Size 3. Okay. Then I will hide this one. I will make it 0 to hide. Inventory details. This is our form. Then I will go to here, other, then pop up. Then we will get rid of this one and this one also. Just go to format, then I will make auto, record selector, and navigation button. Save, lock. Then we will add code to auto-generate our item code. Here, just select this, then go to event, then before insert. I will copy item code, txt item code, me.txt item code equal. Now we will generate our item code using our current date, time in minutes, hours, and seconds. So that's why I choose now. I put format here, format, then comma. I will put year, then next is month, day, hour, minutes, and seconds, then double quote, then close. So meaning every time we will input some data on our inventory details, it will generate the current date, time, minutes, and all of this one will generate as our item code. Okay, look, I have a list here. Look what happened. If I insert description, automatically our item code will generate. Look, so this is the current year, month, day, time, minutes, and seconds. Then price, I will put the price. Then next I will add another items also. Look, automatic will generate. Then price. So what I did is I just only pressing tab. Look, it will generate our code. So we need to add also here button to save. We'll go to here, button, then record operation, save record, next, then I will choose this cmd save. I will remove because it will auto generate the macro. I will use VBA, do cmd dot save, then we'll put message box msg box, then message successfully save, comma, then we'll put some sign, VB information, then title save. Then next I will put also cancel, cmd cancel, this will automatically close our form. One click, do cmd dot close, comma, then double quote and another double quote. Next I will add button to add new item. cmd new, here add new, I will close first because I want to copy this form, then I will use that one. One click here, do cmd dot go to record, comma, then we'll paste our form, comma, then new rec. So after click this add new, we will make or put our cursor here in the description. So that is why we set our focus on our description, me.txt description dot set focus, so that every time we'll click new, our cursor will focus on the description. We'll try, cancel, open, save, successfully save, then click add new. We'll add another item here, then price, then save. I will remove this navigation button. And now we have inventory table, inventory details for item entries. Next we will create the form, new form. We'll save, then transaction form, then I will add history. I will copy all of this, stock in, stock out, transaction type. I will drag here. delete all the labels. I will put at the top just to show you how I did. This form, this is the one. This is the form itself. As you can see, you cannot find that history text box here. I will save, then I will remove the space here, and I will add text box, another text box. This is this one, search. And I will rename this text box to search for. And I will add another text box. I will rename this search text. So this is temporary. Whatever we will input here in our search for, it will come up here. Whatever example I will type Ray, then automatically this particular text, it will show here in our search text as temporary. Then I will put the list box. I will rename this is a search result. Whatever we search, it will came here. Actually, I have already made a video for multi-search, so it's the same concept in my videos. Search result. So whatever you search here, automatically it will display here. I will make it black to make more visible. Then I will rename this search results. Search result. But before we proceed, we need to we need to create a query. So that query we need to include. Again, I will close. I will copy because I will use that one in our query. Go to create, then query, then inventory. Then I will double click this product ID, then item code, then description. item price and inventory quantity. I will save this one as query search all. Then I will put criteria here. I will zoom like, then double quote, then and we'll put our form, where our text box resides. So our form is referred to transaction form. I will put that one, close bracket. Next is our text. Search text. Comma, then and double quote star double quote. So this is our criteria. I will copy, maybe I'll check if this is the one we are referring to. Okay, correct. Search text, I think is correct. Yeah, it's correct. Then I will copy here and here. This is easy product item code and description. So this is our record source or row source for our list box. Select, then data, here row source. We'll choose that query, then I will drag. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So in column, we will count this product as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total of 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll go to format. Here, column count, we'll put 5. Then we will adjust the width. So I will put 0 in order to hide the product ID. Then colon. Next is the item code. We'll put 1. Then next we'll put the description, let's say 2.5 colon 1, 2. So another 1 for price colon, then 1 for our inventory quantity. So it's showing our items. Need to adjust. I will put 1.5. Then here head, column heads or header. Yes, that's all right. Okay, now we have a header. We'll just adjust. Quantity on hand, we'll put at the center. Now we have item code, description, item price, and quantity on hand. So now we need to put code here. Whatever we type here, automatically it will show the item. I will remove this duplicate and I will add another items. I will make that later to avoid duplicates entry. Then I will add another item. Save. Now we have items, so I need to adjust the description because it's quite small. I will make it 3. Okay, now we have our items here. Then I will put code. To make this video short, I have already a code. Again, this code is available. I have a tutorial for how to create multi-field search in Access part. So I explained there. So this one I just want to copy for this particular tutorial. But if you cannot catch up the details, you can check my previous video. This is part 1 and part 2 video for how to create multi-field search. I'll just copy this code and I will paste inside here event on change here. Then I will paste that code. Then I will add button here to clear our search. Clear CMD clear. On click, we'll put me.search for, this is our search box, so we'll make blank. Then again, me.search search is RCH, this is the one. We'll make also blank. Then our me.search results that require to receive all the search items require. Look, clear. If I type here, automatically whatever I type, it will show in here. Let's say search. I will. This is the issue. We'll double check to make search text. Search the same search text. Clear. I will type 1946. I will clear. I will type this hub HUB. Look, then I will clear. So now our items is searchable. I will type 4522 So now we have search box and we have also the search result. So I will hide this. I will make it 0 to hide, so that every time we will type here, it's clear. Never mind this one, I will explain to you why I put this history fields here. Next, I will put text box. One, two, three, four, then plus ID 5. So I will put text box here 5. Layout, stack. I like stack because it will give us the product ID. I will make black, then I will copy 2, 3, 4, 5. I will join together. Then here, item code. Here, description. Then item price. Quantity in hand. Why I put this one? Because whatever we will select here, it will display also here. So I will copy this search result, then I will go here. Okay, I will rename this one first. TXT product ID. Here, TXT item code. Next is TXT description, TXT item price. Now I will link this unbound text box to our search result. I will come here, I will make build, then equal, and paste our search result. Then I will put that, then open bracket. Now our column, then close bracket. Then we'll put our column number 0, which is our ID, then close parenthesis, search.column.0. Then next I will just copy that one, our description, which is in the column number 1. Again, I will explain to you why it's column. So this is product ID, column 0, column 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, column 1, which is our item code, then column 2, our description, column 3, our item price, then column 4, our quantity on hand. So that whatever we select, look, I will adjust the width, then still I will adjust the width, I will reduce this level and I will make bigger. Look, if I select this, automatically it will also update our text box. Then I will lock this. So that we can select but we cannot input some here. Again, if I type 19, automatically it will update also here. Clear. So look. So we have a search box to search our items from our list, and this is our text box. Now we will put code for our stuck in and stuck out entries. Example, I will put type 5, then stuck in button, automatically it will put here. This is wrong spelling, I will put Y. Okay, now text box. I will change label to quantity in. Change to 14. Size shortest, I will make bold. Then I will make it stack. Layout stack. I will copy. Then quantity out. I will make it align top. Then I will adjust the size also. Size shorter. Then I will add button. Stuck in. I will copy. Stuck out. I will put here. I will go to format, then border style, solid, border color, or I will go format here, quick. Then we can select any of this one. I will choose this. Then I will adjust the border style solid. Then border color, I will make it this, and width, I will make it okay. I will change here stuck out, then stuck in. I will change the fill to, then here I will change also at least darker. Okay, so I will rename this txt in, txt stuck in, and this one txt stuck out. Here cmd in, and here cmd out. So we have button cmd in and cmd out. I will put another big label, stuck in, bigger, my favorite font, this 26. I will copy, stuck out. So we have text box, button, text box, button. So now we will put the code to process our inventory. This is the heart of our topic. I will put here stuck in event on click